Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Dr. Liliane Dwiasputri. I would like to present my presentation or share my site about Prebiotica. In human body, we have trillions of microorganisms live in our body and form a very complex ecosystem called microbiome. Where we're born, we get first protective shield by passing through birth canal. The mother's milk contains a high percentage of human milk oligosaccharide. That's the fiber foods for good bacteria, or we call it prebiotic. But how about the other baby who didn't get breastfeeding? They need the prebiotic as well. As we grown up, the microbiome is influenced by our diet, experiences, and what we are exposed to and where we lived. I have this situation diagnosis. Now people eat without consider the contents of the food. They prefer to eat processed foods, street foods, and other unhealthy foods. Most of my patients that come to clinic, hospital, they come because of diarrhea or constipation or other stomach problems because of their unhealthy diet. In every human had normal microbes to help good digestions in their intestinal such as lactobacilli and bifidobacteria. They are producing enzymes to help the body digestions of proteins and fats to absorb nutrients and also to stimulate the function of the immune system to regulate intestinal activity and liver function. This is what happened in our cell or in our body if we don't have unbalanced good bacteria. They will affect our immune system and make a pathologies affect if we don't have unbalanced good bacteria such as autoimmune, allergies, and other metabolic disorder. What we need to know, in our body, especially our guts, need microbes to absorb nutrients. Prebiotic is a fiber that's useful for microbes in our guts. There's a difference between prebiotic and probiotic. We assume that prebiotic is same with probiotic, but it's totally different. The prebiotic is the food for probiotic that to promote the growth and proliferation of beneficial bacteria in digestive system. How about probiotic? They are live microorganism itself. How do we get Prebiotica and Probiotica? You can have from daily meal, such as for probiotics, onions, leeks, potatoes, wheat, apples. How about probiotic? We can get it from tempeh, kombucha, yogurt, pickles. But let me see the probiotic fiber content by the weight. If we only consume for apple, we only have 2% of the fiber from the fruit itself. But how about acacia gum? Surprisingly, the percentage is so high, almost 85.6% contains of the fiber probiotic. Here's the search of fibers that have probiotic effects. We have so many, such as wheat dextrin, inulin, GOS, acacia gum, phylum, polydextrose, and etc. I want to show you the comparison between acacia gum and inulin with the same amount, 10 grams. And the acacia gum was shown the greater increase in bifidobacteria and lactobacilli than an equal dose of inulin. And also to see the side effect also have a fewer GI side effect such as gas and bloating. And what is make Prebiotica special? The Prebiotica, it contains the whole foods. The highest natural contains from acacia gum. Let me say acacia prebiotics are Arabic gum, but not all Arabic gum are probiotics. We have results studied about the prebiotic divided into the following three types. There is oligofructose, inulin, and our prebiotic. There is from acacia gum. And the results showed that oligofructose only stimulate the bacteria in the ascending colon. How about inulin? Inulin also only stimulate the bacteria in descending colon. And our prebiotic showed that the bacteria stimulate in all spectrum of colon. Let me see what's the benefit beside to reduce IBD symptoms from prebiotic. It is also to control our appetite, and then the effect is weight loss and to prevent the obesity. And the second benefit is to reduce the low density lipoprotein levels to prevent cardiovascular disease. As we know that low density lipoprotein is the bad cholesterol in our blood. And the third, to reduce glucose absorption for the M type of 2 patients. And the last is to increase our immune factors. Let we know more about acacia gum. What is acacia gum? Acacia gum, or Arabic gum, also known acacia gum, is a natural gum consisting of the hardened sap of various species of the acacia tree. Gum arabic is predominantly collected from two related species, namely Acacia senegal and Fakelia, or Acacia seal. Gum arabic is the only rich source of natural prebiotics. Gum arabic, or acacia gum, is a nutrient from the dried exudates of Acacia senegal. The acacia tree grows in a region that stretches from Senegal to Sudan, especially in the west. And here is newly made functional applications from acacia gum: to emulsifier, formulation aid, surface finishing agent, forming agent, adhesive, soluble fiber source, and also for processing aid. And here is the application in manufacturers. There is for high sugar confectionery, for caramels and toffees, to keep the fat uniformly, to coat the products, for chewing gums, dry roasted peanuts, spicy nuts, and also can be used for bakery breads. There's to increase the water absorbed, max dough and volume, and also to increase the toasting. Thank you.